Why does palm oil float on water? Why do we store fat under our skin? Today, we unlock the secrets of lipids, the energy giants of biology. Lipids are organic molecules made mainly of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. Unlike sugars, they do not dissolve in water but dissolve in solvents like ether and chloroform. A glyceride forms when glycerol bonds with fatty acids. One glycerol plus 3 fatty acids gives a triglyceride, releasing 3 water molecules through condensation. Lipids come in 4 main types. Glycerides store energy. Phospholipids build membranes. Steroids include hormones like testosterone. And terpenes give plants their scents. Phospholipids have a water-loving head and 2 water-hating tails. In water, they line up forming a bilayer, the basic structure of every cell membrane in your body. Worked example: 1 gram of lipid releases 39 kilojoules of energy. That is more than double what carbohydrates give. This is why migrating birds store fat, not sugar, for long flights. Worked example 2. Cholesterol, a steroid with 4 carbon rings, is the parent of sex hormones. From cholesterol, your body makes testosterone in males and estrogen in females. Lipids come from groundnuts, palm oil, avocado, fish, and eggs. They insulate us against cold, cushion organs like kidneys and store long-term energy in adipose tissue. Many students get this wrong. Lipids are not polymers because fatty acids are not identical repeating units. Do not call a triglyceride a polymer in your exam, you will lose marks. Remember GPST, glycerides, phospholipids, steroids, terpenes. Lipids are made of carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, store, double the energy of carbs, and build cell membranes. Subscribe to Ovasaabi for more lessons. Visit ovasaabi.com for your complete A-level biology revision.